Welcome back to Flavor Depot Kitchen. My name is Chef Steve Smith. I'm going to be doing a pizza today with about 6 different flavors. It's going to go on the crust, it's going to go on the sauce, and we're also be adding a pork flavor into a veggie compound. So first off, we're going to make the dough. Add the flour, yeast, olive oil, and a little salt. And mix this up, and what we're trying to do is get it to knead into a ball. We're going to be adding in bread flavoring and garlic. Now I'm going to prepare the sauce. We're going to implement 2 flavors, basil and the oregano. That's going to give it the aroma that you're looking for in that pizza. Olive oil first. Then we're going to throw the garlic in there. Tomato sauce. Now we're going to add the flavors. So we're going to do the basil flavor first, and then we're going to do the oregano. Just go ahead and stir that sauce and let it stew for about 15-20 minutes. All right, next we're going to be doing the toppings. So we're going to do a plant-based meat, and then we're going to add pork flavoring. We're going to go ahead and use the self-measuring container. So you just squeeze it, comes up the side, get your appropriate measurement, and you just pour it right in. We'll just shape it into meatballs and then place that on the pizza. I went ahead and par-cooked the dough. Add the sauce, and take some cheese, meat topping. And let's throw it in the oven. We'll let it cook for about 15 minutes. All right, crispy New York style pizza. You can download this recipe and many more at flavordepot.com. Flavor Depot was developed for independent restaurants and food service professionals. Using our recipes will make them unique, bringing your customers back again and again. Distinguish your business from the rest and enjoy great success. Thank you very much.